Good morning, Room Service Department. I'm John Roberts speaking. How may I help you, ma'am?
Good morning. I would like to have my breakfast.
Know your room number and name, ma'am?
This is Miss Anne of room 15.
What do you like for breakfast, ma'am? We have American and Filipino breakfast.
What about your Filipino breakfast? May I know it, please?
For a minute, ma'am, for our Filipino breakfast, we have egg, longganisa, and tapa in your choice. Brewed or dark coffee.
Yeah, I'll take it and with the brewed coffee.
And ma'am, is there anything else, ma'am? Would you like to add?
I guess that's all.
May I repeat your order, ma'am? You have Filipino breakfast with egg, longganisa, and tapa, and brewed coffee. Good for one person.
Sounds great.
Payment, ma'am. Would you like it to be charged or through cash?
Okay, wait. I'll pay it with cash. By the way, how much is my bill?
Your bill, ma'am, is 270 pesos. Your bill will be sent together with your breakfast.
Okay, sure.
Please let me double check your room number, which is 15 under the reservation name of Miss Anne.
Alright.
Thank you for calling room service, Miss Anne. Your breakfast will be delivered as soon as possible.
Okay, bye.
Room service, room service, room service. Good morning, Miss Anne.
Good morning.
Here we go with your breakfast, ma'am. Where would you like to place it?
Here, please.
For your Filipino breakfast, you have eggs, longganisa, and tapa, and brewed coffee.
Okay, thank you.
I will come back an hour, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Room service, room service, room service.
Please come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. I would you like you to sign your bill?
Okay. Here.
How's your food, ma'am?
It's good.
Okay, ma'am. Enjoy your day. Thank you.
Thank you.